So hi guys, just going for a ride, a little shopping in these COVID times, and it's a short ride. I'm just trying out some settings on the camera. And I'm also trying out my new helmet, which I think sucks because it's really noisy, and it's unexpectedly noisy, in fact. And also the anti-fogging coating on the visor is rather crappy, which is the first reason I bought a new helmet. The second reason was the tinted extra visor. So we're trying out how noisy it is, which I'll find out when I go through this this video as I'm editing. I've already booked an order for a new helmet, in fact. And it's pretty crappy weather. I think it's about 7 or 8 degrees Celsius, that is, because you know we're in Sweden. Thanks. I reckon I'm gonna have to buy one of those dead mouse or dead cats, or what the fuck you call them. Don't really care, just to muffle the wind noise. And I also bought 2 cameras because I think I'm mounting one on the bike, and then I also have my own cameras. This helmet also catches wind quite remarkably. It's about to fucking snap my neck right now. Yeah, of course you are, motherfucker. piece of shit. Bye for now, guys. So that shopping went pretty well, considering I have a small backpack and a pocket rocket. No, it's a crotch rocket. Yeah, that's what it is. So when I tilt my head like this, I can't really hear the wind noise that much, but it's not really comfortable riding like this. It whistles like fucking crazy, that's for sure. I'll probably have to wear ear protection with this. My old helmet I just used an intercom system, listened to some music. Probably not half as loud as this helmet. I think some of you might have noticed that the RPM is flickering quite bad. That is due to me either not finding the right cable to connect to, or not installing this RPM settings the correct way, because they have never worked. And the fuel gauge is flickering up and down all the time, because this touchometer or speedometer, whatever you want to call it, is fucking crap. It has some kind of digital reading, and it's very sensitive. So as the fuel sloshes around, yeah, well, you can see yourself, it flickers empty and full and half, depending on how much throttle I apply, really. But then again, this was my learning bike, so I'm not really that concerned, because I'm gonna change everything on it if I'm going to keep it. As of now, I've just mounted some things that I think are an upgrade, so to say. I didn't really like the clip-ons, so I changed it to more of a tracker handlebar, and I've also mounted this RAM mount for my phone, and now my fucking helmet is fogging up again. The only thing on this touchometer that's working kind of properly is the speed sensor, actually. And I don't really want to go into the story of how I adjusted that. It took me 3 days. I had to follow some cars, ask my wife to drive at the exact pace so that I could configure it, and it's a rather painful way because you have to turn off the bike and start it all over every time you want to do an adjustment in the menus. So okay, you're going that way, right? So this is the neighborhood where I live. It's a lot of construction, and it's a lot of littering as well, because people seem unable to throw their fucking trash in the bins. That's probably very hard to do. Don't know, because I never failed at that. Bye guys. Oh yeah. So now we're back on the road again. Do some more shopping. This time I'm going to another store just to take different paths, really. So this time I'm gonna take some inner roads in the suburbs and not get on the highway. That way I'll see how it measures up when I'm doing 40 kilometers an hour instead of 140, if I ever reach that. No, you don't. Fuck you, piece of shit. So now I'm slightly over the speed limit. Now I'm down on the speed limit. And yeah, the helmets make a lot of noise. But like I said before, I'll have to review this footage to see how much the mic takes up. Like I said, where I live there's a lot of construction, so this is what I'm used to seeing every day. No, not every day. I'm not out and about that much. Yeah, well, in fact, every day, because I work at a construction site, so. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, protected by the bus. So see you guys. So that's second wave of shopping for groceries, and now we're going home again. We're taking the scenic route, I think. Only good thing about this fucking pandemic is fuel prices are going down. Sorry to say that, but that's the truth. I'm a cheap ass bastard, and I think it's too expensive to drive a car in this country, just for the simple things of going shopping and yeah, whatever, taking the kids to the ocean for a fun time with the family. I don't know, whatever you do, I still think it's too expensive. So that's why I bought an old ass bike, because in this country they are pretty damn cheap to own. It's tax reductions and low insurance cost, and yeah, well, it's a bike. It doesn't use that much fuel if you don't drive it like a fucking asshole, which I tend to do a lot. Come on, it's fucking green. So this is a more scenic route, if it ever gets scenic in this suburb, that is. I'm keeping quiet a lot because I don't really have anything to say, and I'm new at this, and I'm as I said, testing out this helmet so that I know how much it sounds at different speeds. I'm actually pretty damn sure I'm not gonna keep this helmet, so, and I'm damn sure I can't sell it to somebody else either, because that's not how this shit works. And even if it was, I wouldn't sell something that I myself think is crap. And I'm pretty damn sure that this is a plastic bucket and not fiber glass. Definitely not carbon fiber, that's for sure. So the helmet I'm considering right now that I've ordered, I've actually ordered a tryout in the store. Meaning you get to try it in the store, and if you don't want it, they'll deduct it from the rest of the stuff you buy. And you can order it in several different sizes, and they just simply return the ones you don't use or want to buy. It's a high-vis helmet, and it's a blended helmet with carbon fiber and glass fiber, if I understood the instructions on their site, that is. It's at least not a plastic bucket like this is. My former helmet was or is, should I say, a glass fiber one. I love that helmet. I think it looks good, but it's a black helmet, just like this one actually. But I want to be more visible in traffic, so that I might reduce the amount of traffic accidents occurring on our streets. No, you don't. So this time I think I'll park the motorcycle and I won't go on a third shopping today. I think we have enough food at home now to make us by a week or two. Just hope that I have enough toilet paper, because that seems to be a problem to buy. We all know why. This damn lid is fogging up all the damn time. So I don't know if you've seen this. This is my project for this summer. It's going to be my bobber. I'm gonna take all this shit away. And yeah, this is my daughter's bike. It's a 1-5, cause that's all she's allowed to ride. Damn flies and shit. And this piece of crap is just for her learning experience. She can look at how things work without the potential damage of her own bike. And that's the fucking ceiling in my head. Shit, fuck. And this is my bike. So this is my daily rider, as they call it. It's a pretty nice bike. I've made some small changes too, and I'm going to make rather big changes later on. And I bought a new seat for it, make it more of a cafe race look. And some silly ass used, I don't know what, Bondo or what the fuck you call it in the States. Piece of shit. Should have bought a new case. But that's up to me, apparently. Yeah. Anyways, this is what it looks like when you're experimenting. Nothing is really done or complete. I accidentally caught these in the turn stops, I think it was. They got caught in because they were pretty damn smashed. Yeah. Anyways, that's all, folks. Bye.